BV8 na Predator naka-gate aster. So yung 10 inches at saka yung 13 inches sold out na. Ang remaining na lang na Predator sa atin is the 8 inches. Okay, so full metal yung front assembly, full metal din yung receiver. 6.03mm na inner barrel, naka quick release system, reinforced internal parts. FPS out of the box is around 400 to 405. So fully programmable ang mga naka-gate aster. Naka flat trigger na rin. 140 rounds na mid-cap magazine, polymer grip, delta stock, metal charging handle. Then may kasama na rin siyang sights. So ang price is 14.5 less 1.5 until Wednesday. So naka-sale tayo for Lancer Tactical till Wednesday next week. Okay, so corona check natin. Full auto. So guys, for details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Sabi PH.